So first, I want to select the facility again. Then I'm going to do that by clicking on it. And then highlighting the facility of interest in the list and clicking again. And then you'll see that it becomes this grayed out, not grayed out, but a gray sort of square on the screen. And if I right click on it when it's like that, this screen comes up with the edit option. And I am going to click on edit. And even though it says edit, you don't necessarily have to edit something. You can also just use the edit for viewing. So I'm going to click edit. And that brings up this screen. And what this screen is part of the input view, or also known as the linear data entry screen. And it shows the facility information for that facility. And you can access this directly from the map, or you can use the input menu option or input icon in the TEISS toolbar, and we're going to go over that more in future modules. So I can see the facility information for this site, and I can see the facility site name, the identifier, and if you scroll down you can see other things about the facility like the address and the NAICS code. And you'll notice that some of the characteristics are in green and some of them are in white like this. And the white ones are optional if you submit your data to the NEI, but we always encourage people to put as much data as you can in about these facilities. And the green fields are those fields that are mandatory when you submit your data to the NEI. So if you remember back to the table in the mock level 4 EI, there was a NAICS description, and that information can be found on this screen. If you scroll down here to the NAICS code, you'll see that we now know that this facility is for pipeline transportation of natural gas. So that's how that NAICS field was populated in that table in the mock level 4 EI. So if I click on the X button here, we close this window, and then you will see a whole bunch of other facilities in the list. And what you're looking at is all the facilities in Coconino County. And you can tell that we're in Coconino County by looking up here where it says point locations, and it says Coconino County, Arizona. This is what we call the breadcrumbs panel. On the left hand side of the screen you can see that we're second down in the list, so we're under point locations and we're looking at a list of facilities. And if you click one up, you can see point locations. We're actually in Coconino County, Arizona, and then when you click on facilities, you'll see the list of facilities there. And now we can close the screen by clicking. This closes the entire linear data entry screen when you click on this X button here.